Go.
Hello, cherished viewers of Bullet One TV. This is your only guy, Young Prof. Yes, I told you that I'm going to bring you something super fabulous. Yes, and I'm here. So, as part of my responsibilities in bringing you the best of programs and making you happy all the time, today I bring to you a new super fabulous reality show titled Senior High School Life Experience. Yes, Senior High School Life Experience. What is Senior High Life School Experience? It is an interactive program that allows either old or young to express or share their experience, or they'll have the opportunity. This is a big platform for them to share their experience they have in senior high school when they were in school. Yes, so I happen to I'm very privileged to have a wonderful young man in the studio, in the person of Natural Face. Yes, I believe most of you know Natural Face. It's not a stranger here. So, and before I come to my guest, let me quickly acknowledge my sponsors: Dan Favor Blood Production and 3 Pines Power Herbal Center. They are the wonderful people who are supporting this program. So let me quickly get back to my guest. Hey, Natural Face. It's been quite long. Oh, yo.
Because of the corona, no one shoot me.
You are the way I see your face, you get coronavirus.
Nah.
Okay. So my cherished viewers are very interested. They are waiting to see what you have for them. And I believe you are gonna educate them. You are gonna make them happy.
Life.
Yes, you are gonna entertain them. This is an entertainment. Yes, this is an avenue for you to socialize. You can share your views or your senior high school life experience by typing or just posting on the comment box. Yes. So Natural Face, could you tell my cherished viewers who Natural Face really is and why Natural Face?
Whoever know Natural Face or whoever have heard of Natural Face know that guy is a comedian.
You can't seem to amaze me. Okay, so tell my viewers. So who is Natural Face?
As I was saying, whoever have heard of Natural Face know that Natural Face is a comedian.
Okay.
And a very hard-working guy.
Wow.
Very strong. You understand?
Wow. Okay. So we are going to talk about senior high school life experience, and I believe Natural Face has a lot of experience to share with my viewers, and they are also waiting.
Sure.
They can't wait to they can't wait to hear what you have to share with them. And most of you, I believe you've experienced a lot more than Natural Face. So you can share with us. I will read your comments. Just drop your comments and then I will read it. You can also join by the WhatsApp section by WhatsApping this number 0548 408617. That is our WhatsApp line. Whenever you type or when you drop your WhatsApp message, we will read it and then everybody will enjoy the program. Yes, Natural Face. So as a program, like, we are going to talk about senior high school life experience. Which school have you completed?
Down there they normally say yellow.
Excuse me, yellow.
Yeah, upper is.
Hey, have you heard of yellow before?
No, they have never heard of it because many students wear yellow uniform. So
okay.
So when I say yellow, I simply mean St. Thomas Senior High Technical School.
Oh, wow, Santec.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice meeting you. My sister's school. My sister's school. You think I'm gonna tell you? I'm gonna reserve. I believe most of the viewers know where I've completed senior high school, and they will start. So if you are able to tell me the school I've completed, just drop it, and then you get an award. You have a package for that. So let's go on with your life experience in school. So tell me about your first day in school. How does it look like? When I say first day in school, there are instances you enter and people will be bullying you and doing all sort of stuff. And even before you even enter the environment, you might have heard of things that the seniors normally do. So how was your first day in school like?
First day in school, I feel like an illiterate, someone who has never been to class one before.
Like seriously.
Because the way I just start like I'm shivering. I look at people and I say, hey, I don't even know who is coming to pick me as a junior. And
Okay. So so you were shivering.
Yeah.
Why?
Because when you enter the system,
Yeah.
everybody is doing his own thing.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
And then they don't care who you came with, whether your grandfather or even the president.
Whether the president's son.
Yeah.
Once you are in the school,
Yeah.
you are not with your anybody
yeah.
again. You just
Yeah.
came as a load, as
Yeah.
natural face. Yes, I understand. So so when you entered, you were scared and
Yeah.
you were not. And how did you adjust to the environment?
Yeah.
For how long have you adjusted to the environment?
Though I was afraid when I
Okay.
was in campus,
Okay.
but I was that type of guy who's I'm the hard type.
Hey.
So
Don't tell me you were part of those stubborn juniors. who used to
within
have-
a week,
Okay.
within a week, I made friends like 10. And I could possibly say that I have 10 friends.
Hey.
Yeah, because how I was living life,
Okay.
I don't live like I fear you or you fear me. Nah,
Hey,
nah.
you came with that. I don't care and
Yeah, I just live life.
that
so
horror. Hey.
Anybody that I meet, I make sure that the person is my friend. And once I was a comedian, a small crowd, I just want to entertain them.
Okay,
So,
okay.
because of the comedy and the acting side,
Okay.
it makes me be able to associate myself with the environment.
Okay.
And so I wasn't feeling like. Within a week, I was like, it's normal. I was feeling like I'm a senior.
Oh, get on okay, natural face. Nice having you in the studio. Let me quickly acknowledge my sponsors once more because they've done well for sponsoring this interesting program. So, Dan Favor Glue Production. If you just joined the program, this is Senior High School Life Experience. Senior High School Life Experience. Yes, it's an interactive program that allows, if you are young or old, you can share your experience. And if you want to be part, you can call 0548 408617. If you want to be hosted maybe next week or next 2 weeks, at any point in time you want to come into Blue One TV and then you'll be hosted. So you just call the number and then we'll attend to you. Yes, let me get back to you. Nature Face.
No.
So in senior high school, at your level 100, I mean, at the time you entered school and you were in level 100. I mean, how was your senior like? The one who took you as a senior?
My senior was a house prefect.
Wow.
That's Azantilo house prefect.
Okay.
And he's from Bedema.
Oh, before you proceed, Azamtulo was my house in San Dimitri. Oh, I just said it. I said people should predict. I just said it. I can't believe. Oh my God. Okay, so as I just said, Azamtulo was my house in San Dimitri Senior High. Yes, and it was we were leading the. Everything, whether sports or whatever, a debate, quiz or whatever, who were leading. You are there saying that I'm telling lies. Come and challenge me, lah. Okay, so
he was a house prefect and he's from Bedema. You know, he was that type of cool guy.
Oh, Bedema.
Yeah, he was the type of cool guy. When I enter into that house prefect room, it's like.
So what were you doing? Like, what were you doing?
Yeah, I served him alright as a junior. What a junior supposed to do.
Okay.
Sometimes if I'm late,
Okay.
if I oversleep, I'll wake up and there's water for me to bath.
Wow. And who does that?
My senior.
Your senior fetch the water for you.
You have to understand that if you are a prefect, you are to serve, not to be served. You understand?
Wait, this is very interesting and very educative. You know, there are instances where people come into leadership and they think that they have to live like, oh, I'm the boss, you know, I'm the boss. And I mean, forgetting that they are to serve.
Yeah.
They have sworn to serve, but people want to be served, and that is not the proper way of, leading. That is not what defines leadership.
Yeah.
Good. So, but for a senior to fetch water for you is some kind of, I'm some kind of skeptical about this whole thing. How could that be possible?
Yeah, you see.
Or let me come. Or maybe you have.
Nah.
You have that.
You see, as I told you earlier, I was that kind of funny guy in
Okay.
the campus. You
Okay.
understand? So sometimes I might be in class, and anytime, you know, when you get to school as a year one or a level 100 persons,
Okay.
you see, we have 3 boreholes in campus,
Okay.
and one is for year ones,
Okay.
one is for year twos, and one is for year threes.
Okay.
So if I don't, and the year ones, we normally go to bush.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a borehole at our bush by within the campus, but we normally call that place bush.
Okay.
So if I don't want to go to bush, I will just put my bucket in my senior's bucket and say, senior, today I don't want to go to bush. So if you go to fetch water, you fetch some for me.
Wow.
And then you just fetch the water, and then I'll go and pick the 2 buckets.
Okay.
And once it's a senior, there's no complaint.
Wow.
So sometimes if I don't want to go to bush or the year 2's place, I'll just carry my bucket and go and put there.
Okay.
Hard guy, and I'll be there.
Hard guy. Okay,
yeah,
so what was your favorite food in the dining hall?
Oh, favorite food. Me, when I go to school, I never had favorites.
Hey!
Every day I'm present.
Like when we're in school, especially on Saturdays, that is where we will be served fish with kenke and then hot. Listen, so somebody might say that Saturdays are normally his favorite days.
No. Because
of the kenke and fish.
So
you don't have anything like that?
Mine was Wednesdays.
Were you one of the Gomoros?
We will never miss.
Like seriously?
Never miss.
You never miss dining hall?
Yeah, simply because if I go there, I'll get fans. Natural.
Okay.
Charlie, will enjoy me.
Wow.
I don't know how, like, I feel like going back to school again, but you know, nature.
Okay. So in school, what were the things that you've regretted doing now that you are out of school, and you've regretted doing those things, and you think that you were making a lot of mistakes, and you know there are always this thing that we say, had I known is always.
Yeah,
so you are regretting that you were doing things that were not, normal.
Yeah.
So what were the things that you were doing?
You see, at that moment, we couldn't, like, if I say we couldn't, which means we are playing. So I regretted so much that I couldn't take my book serious as my parents expected me to be.
Oh, so you were part of those guys who were not reading?
Yeah, though we read, but we don't book long.
You don't book long?
Yeah, we don't book long because roaming around the campus disturbing others. That's what I do. And sometimes it will disturb you, alright, it will make you forget about the book. And later
Excuse me.
We'll go and learn.
Excuse me. So you are not serious, you're not ready to read, you're not ready to learn, and I'm ready to, I have an ambition, I have an objective, I have a purpose being in school, and my purpose in school is to read and pass. And you came in, you don't want me to read. You will deliberately go around to disturb people who are serious. Come on.
You see, everybody have a vision of being in school.
Okay, so what was your vision?
Oh, my vision was after school, I could be one of the militaries. Yeah, so I was a cadet in school as well. But mostly,
my viewers are just telling me that they don't hear you. I just got a message here. They said, tell Natural Face, we can't hear him. You can hear him. Not Natural Face.
They will hear me.
Okay, so he will speak loud for you to hear. And sorry, we apologize for technical problems. We just had a problem with our sound. That is why you can't hear him, and he's making his effort to speak loud. But we just had some technical challenges, so we apologize for that. Keep enjoying the program. So.
You see, my vision was after school I'll be able to join one of the service any of the army.
Okay.
So, but mostly I was interested in the acting.
Okay.
Yeah, being one of top stars among the comedians. in
Okay.
Ghana. So, not that we disturb people that learn, but you see, normally in campus like this, girls like those who normally know maths.
Wow.
They normally, if you are a mathematician, you see, you normally get girls crowd. So if you are see you are that type, the only thing we will come to prep all right, but we will make sure that we will go to prep early and go and learn. So if you come according to the time, assuming prep is start 7. So if you come around 7, maybe we have been there for somewhere around 4.
Wow.
So we have learned a lot. You understand? So the time that you will come,
we
will bring interesting topic that you will be so that you won't get girls crowd. I mean, we are the niggas in campus, so after that we'll be roaming around. Hey Charlie, today you are learning, Brian, where are they? And then
I can't believe that.
Yeah, we will quickly go and put our bags down.
You see the bad thing that happens in school. So if you are in the senior high school and you're watching this program, you just have to understand that there are people there to disturb. You understand? They will deliberately come on your way. You know what they normally do? Like when you are sleeping, you are reading. And when it is time for you to read, that is where they'll come and then you follow them and be fooling about. Look at why you just listen to what Nature Face is telling you. And it's real. I have been to SS and what we're saying is something that is factual. Yes. You see, so tell me, were you dating in school?
No, the kind of guy I was, though I wasn't interested in dating.
Wow.
Yeah, because
how was you? I mean, how were you? I mean,
yeah,
as a comedian and ladies will be running after you because you know ladies want fame. Is it not true? Hey, tell me it's true. Don't be pretending.
and because of the kind of guy I was, a comedian, once a funny guy.
Wow.
Yeah, I admire a lot. So if I see this girl today, I feel like being the friend.
Okay.
If I see another girl, I feel like being the friend. So I just make my life like I'll friend all of them.
Okay, you just make friends, but you will not go to the extent of dating.
Nah.
Wow.
Just make friends.
So you've never dated in school?
Nah.
Hey,
serious.
Nature Face on stages when it's entertainment day. You know there are guys that they become popular on Saturdays.
we are popular all
yes,
the time.
yes. Only on Saturdays are you see those guys. Yeah. And on Saturday they are the I mean I don't even know the word to describe them. They are the gurus in the school. So and you were part of those people.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I was the type of guy who normally like you see there are guys in campus who normally put on expensive things, like shoes like this, iron their things neat and then they move on and do. But I was part of that guy, but I normally wear bowler.
Wow.
You see my nika anytime is big.
Okay.
So you see the girls too, they don't want to run out with those kind of guys that so
I see.
Yeah.
And so did you steal when you were in school?
I don't remember, but I do something like that, but I actually don't remember stealing somebody's thing because I remember I shot Gary. I shot Gary and my 7th junior was not around. Yeah, so I opened the chobos and then take a look, but I couldn't inform him that I've opened your chobos and do this. So it's also a stealing like that. But in school now. If I don't
like exchanging somebody's slippers or something.
For that
never done so.
For that one, you can call me chairman.
But you were stealing like that.
No.
But you know one thing that I would say is when we were in SS, senior high school, the things you used to do, you know, sometimes you do it and it becomes so funny for you.
Yeah.
So you don't even regard it as something bad.
I mean, the way I was, if I pick something that is yours, I know you will not get it. But if you see me with it, I'll just give it to you and you are there.
See,
Yeah,
simple.
and pass my way.
Simple
Because
like that.
you see, everybody with the kind of life he moved to campus.
Okay.
Somebody is coming from the house, maybe
Okay.
the parent has not left him lonely.
Okay.
And somebody is also coming. There are so many things that people can, because in campus is like world, everything.
Okay, so let me quickly read this. Okay, from Truly. My first day at school when we were to be oriented, my senior principal came and was like, "You guys, how are you looking at me?" I mean, how you are looking at me might be stubborn, guys. There I respond, nah. He said, especially you, so I was like mute. Oh, okay. On Truly Duke Temper, watching you live at Accra. Okay, thank you for watching Bulugu One TV. Keep watching Bulugu One TV, and we give you all the best. I mean, the best of entertainment, the best of programs you can ever imagine. Okay, so let me quickly read this too. That I wish to be with you guys. Okay, thank you very much on Truly. We appreciate you on the studio. I mean, on our WhatsApp, our Facebook platform. Good. Okay, so natural. Now let's go. I mean, what were you doing in school apart from you coming to do entertainment, to do funny things? What things were you doing in school?
I was part of the cadet corps as well,
Hey.
and I was.
You don't mention it.
I was an athlete. I was an athlete as well. So
Okay, before you go there, when we were in school, cadets sometimes use that opportunity to be, snatching some people's especially when they meet you with a lady.
Yeah.
When they meet you with a lady, because you are afraid they will report you to the senior house master. Hey, whatever. Hey, Sansekas, do you remember compiling? Oh my God! If I have to forget everything in school, I will never forget about compiling. Yes. So because you will be afraid the cadets will report you to the authority, they will come and meet you and your lady, and then they will snatch. They will separate you guys. So they will take the lady away.
You start begging.
I quite remember when we were in school, they caught a lady like that, and they made the lady. Oh, it was very bad. They made the naked lady, and they made her lie on the floor, and the guy too was just there fucking the ground. In fact, school was very interesting. School was very interesting.
You see, that's one thing about cadets. They are always straight.
Okay.
The rule is always obey.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
If they meet you like this, if they ask you to kneel down, you obey and kneel down.
Okay.
If they ask you to move away and leave the girl because it's not time to
Okay.
do that, you just do. But you see, no matter what you do, where good people are, that's where the bad people also are.
Okay.
So you go and meet a guy and a lady. Maybe the guy will not have a problem, but the lady will decide to talk whatever she wants. You
Sure,
understand?
sure.
So and sometimes when you meet a hard guy, whether A or B, he must do what he wants to do. That's why we also go hard on them.
Okay. So tell me, what sent you to the senior house master? Or the disciplinary committee. What sent you there?
Nah, I never think I faced
Hey.
any of that.
You've never gone to the.
Nah. You see, I was stubborn, but I'm innocent.
Okay. What about the headmaster's office?
Nah, never.
You know, before you enter there with crime, it might be something. So you've never entered the headmaster's office.
Nah.
Maybe you have done something.
I only remember a friend went there and come out and said that we entered there. They were like 10.
Okay.
They entered there and then they asked of me, but all of them refused that they don't know me. So which means they have heard of the name Natural Face, but they don't know the guy.
Wow.
Because the way I am, I don't do things with majority.
Okay, but you were going on stages performing, and how comes they don't know? Or you normally disgust yourself? Because of your costume, people will not know you.
they do know. They know. They know that this guy is a funny guy. He's a comedian.
Okay.
When we come to campus and they are asking of comedian, I'm the one that they will come for.
Okay.
You understand? But they don't know me with the stubbornness side.
Wow.
You understand?
Okay.
I made mention of I do things alone. If I'm the kind of guy that smokes,
okay.
if I'm the kind of guy that smokes, I don't need a crowd or a gang to go and smoke with them.
Wow.
Because not everybody that have that control.
Okay.
You understand? And maybe I've not been smoking at the house, but when I enter campus, I adapted that life.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So people that in campus, if you normally do things with crowd or gangs, it's easy to identify.
Okay.
But if I'm alone like this,
Okay.
I want if I pick a piece of paper, I'm going to private.
Okay.
Then I'll go and smoke my weed, come back, take a bath, find somewhere and sleep. After that, I know.
Wow.
Who asked me, are you this type? Are you this type?
Okay.
So I was that kind of.
Okay, so let me quickly acknowledge my sponsors once more because they are doing very extremely well. And for sponsoring a program like this, they are doing extremely well. So, Bulugu One TV and we have Dan Favor Blue Production. We have 3 Points Power Herbal Center. If you have any sickness or any disease such as gonorrhea, you have syphilis, you have cancer, that is breast cancer or any kind of cancer, or you are that thing, that thing. If you are not strong enough, when I say strong, it's not about you having the strength to beat people. You can't talk yabby and you go on bed and then you'll be there and you'll be running all over the bed. You have to really demonstrate that, yes, indeed you are a man. So, Dr. Yao, will cater for you. You just come to Tech Ayija. That is where it's located. And he will take care of you. A lot of people are testifying for that. Yes, and I know what I'm saying. I have been there, yes, myself, I have been there. Yes, okay, so, Natural Face.
Yeah.
Yes, the program has been interactive, and time is time is rolling fast. But tell me something. You say you are a comedian.
Yeah.
How far have you gone?
So far, I'm still in the process,
Okay.
I can't do anything without God, so
Okay.
I'm always praying that I should get opportunity to program so that people will know me. So from here, it's only young prof that is supporting me.
Okay. Hey, young prof, where are you? Hey, young prof, where are you? Okay.
So
wherever young prof, wherever you are, kudos to you.
Anytime that he heard of a program, he tried to call me around.
Okay.
So that if I got there, I'll do something.
Okay, that's nice.
So far, so good. Life is still okay.
Okay. Okay. Before you finish, hold on. Let me quickly send this notification out. On the 28th of this month, that is Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Saturday. Come to Accra, Kinaboluwe. I hope you all know Kinaboluwe. Kinaboluwe Peace Concert is going to be super. You have to love your own. Yes, love your own. Hey, yes, and he's very talented.
Live.
He's very talented. So a lot of people are coming there. Waisa, we have Article 1, Teflon Flex, Manny Mandela, Kapato, just to mention few.
Yeah.
So you can't afford to miss this program. It's gonna be banger. It's gonna be super. It's gonna be Okay. So you were making a point. Okay,
yeah,
so
anytime that young prof will hear of a program,
okay,
he will try to link me up with people so that I'll just go and make people happy or put 2 people together. You understand?
Okay.
But so far so good. Life has been so good. Street anthem or poor man. God no go shame us.
Sure, God no go shame us.
God no go shame us.
God no go shame
So
us.
we pray that one day we'll also be at the top, and we thank God for this.
Okay. Okay. I see. So natural face. Okay, so it's been interactive, and we've really entertained. We've really enjoyed your coming to Buluk One TV today, and we can't do more than this. And I believe my cherished viewers have enjoyed you. A lot of messages are trooping in. Unfortunately, I can't read all your messages due to time. Time is running so fast. And we will get back to you. We'll read all your messages and we'll reply any other message that you send, even when we are not live. So keep your messages coming. And then thanks for watching Buluk One TV. And Natural Face, just a last message, and you give a message to the people, our viewers watching you. Yes.
Yeah. All I have to say is that keep supporting natural movement, and then Buluk One TV, they are doing so marvelously well, and anytime they try to give you the best of entertainment.
Okay.
You can follow me, Natural Face, on Facebook page is Natural, and then Instagram too is Natural.
Okay.
So far so good. I say big thanks to Young Prof and hey my guys, Hustler, No Virgin, Pin them, Popcorn. Yeah, talk and win about so they live life.
Hey, so you guys, you get vibes. So, hey, popcorn. Hey. I can't even mention the popcorn. Hey, not popcorn. Oh my God. Wow, it has been interactive. So nice having you in our studio. We hope to entertain our viewers next time with you, especially on different topic or this same topic.
I'll be very glad.
Yes, so we really appreciate you. Nice for coming. Whoa. Buluk One TV, the future is bright. So with you guys, the future is bright with Buluk One TV, and they're having you guys around. The future is bright. So nice having you.
We always say that. Keep it locked.
Yes. So, cherished viewers, thanks for watching this program, and this is the new reality show we brought to your doorsteps, and you can just search Buluk One TV anywhere on social media, anywhere. We are on YouTube, we are on Instagram, we are on Facebook, we are on Twitter, we are on Weaga, all the social media. Sandema, we are there. Accra, we are there. Kumasi, we are there. And everywhere you want, even if you go to UK, everywhere, you just name it, we are there. And we are there to give you all the best, and nothing but the best. Buluk One TV, the future is bright.